Hey flowers, I hope everybody is amazing, doing things they love doing, following your paths, and just ultimately putting yourself first. Ding! Y'all, by that being said, your girl's about to do like a really soft glam. This is my first time doing a freaking wig video, so I am so excited. This is the wig that I have. Take a picture. We call Vase HD lace wig. Y'all, my homegirl put me on this wig. Shout out to her. Passion. Mwah. Love you, mama. She put me on this wig, and I was like, yes, I needed that. Got to have it. And we finna try it, y'all. It is synthetic, but we in 2026. As long as you make it look good, man, it don't even matter what it is. Do you hear me? And so I'm excited, y'all. I'm super excited. I have a wig cap. She said all I need was a wig cap, the wig, and put makeup on the lace. Obviously, cut the lace as well. So, y'all, I am excited. I'm so excited. I'm going to do a little makeup just because when I do the content pictures, I just want it to look, I want to, like, fall in. I actually want to like it. So, see me with glam with it, This kind of makes sense because when I'm wearing my hair, I'm wearing wigs or anything that I put on, I normally have like a glam done or like, you know what I'm saying? Whatever the case may be, it just works out. So I'm really going to do some glam so I can take some pictures with the wig, y'all. Like I said, I am super excited. We're finna get right into my glam. I'm going to play some music. Y'all just going to watch me do glam really quick because glam is not the main topic right now. So I may just do this video, so... Y'all, I want y'all to watch me do glam. Before we get started, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more because your girl has some stuff in store. And I was really excited to get this wig because immediately I thought about content. So that's alignment, and that's what we're going to follow. So I'm going to get it done, do the video, post pictures. Do pictures about it, and well, you know the vibes. Yeah, I'm super excited. I'll be lost in words a little bit, but we're going to get right into it. I'm about to start with makeup, and then we're going to do wig and stuff. All right? I'll play some music and just do a time lapse over my makeup. So flowers, my makeup is done. I am about to go in with the wig. So let's go. Yeah, I did this really, really quick. I really wasn't trying to do too much, even though I still did glitter. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I actually missed this type of lip because this will be the lip that goes nowhere. Every time. Because I use a concealer instead of lipstick. Certain lipsticks move, and I don't like that. So we'll go with this. When it's time for glam, I'm gonna put lip gloss on top of it. But in the meantime, y'all, this is the finished look. In my face. Okay. Yeah. This is the finished glam. I went in with like a soft glam. I wish the lighting was a little bit better so you can really see, but it's okay. Yes, time to do the fun part. Y'all, first we about to get this hair taken down. I mean, braid it down. I'll take it down. I had got some moisturizer. Cause baby, it is a little wet because I want it to be wet so it can just be easier for me to plait it or however. I'm finna figure this out. We finna see y'all. I do wish I had blow dry. Sure do. Sure do. Wish I had a million back. I just want. Yeah, my hair blow dryer head broke, and it was a good blow dryer, but it really wasn't all that. Don't forget this hair plaited. To the best of my abilities. Ugh. Gonna get this hair plaited in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So flowers, y'all, we have our braids braided. We got the hair down. I don't know how I just did that. It's tight. It's cool. It's flat, and that's what we wanted. That's what we're going for. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with a little of my edge control to get my edges laid and slayed all down. I'm really just going off my head. I done seen so many of the freaking wig videos. It's just, at this point, it's not a rocket scientist. And since I'm not doing like a closure or a lace in, you know, it's not that crazy. It's gonna be easy peasy. And y'all, don't get me wrong, I have wigs. I'm not gonna cap. I have wigs. It just, I don't really be doing them as much. And then I really haven't had somebody to like really lay a wig for me really good. So I don't be doing the wigs at all. And I got a lot of them. Believe it or not, I got a nice amount of wigs. So y'all, we got the edges slick back. Should we stick these edges back too? Yeah, we want everything to be crisp. We want everything to be crisp, laid, flat, even the sides. Yeah, we're gonna go in with the wig cap. My homegirl told me to get this wig cap because the thinner ones, they move. And the thicker ones with the thicker band kind of stays a lot longer. And that's what we want. It's real. I look like an egghead. I don't know. That was my head now. I don't know. And I think I have a middle part. I don't know. My homegirl got her side part. Let's see. We're just gonna cover it up and then see what's up. Got my wig cap on, y'all. Ah! What are we doing on TikTok? Okay. Y'all, I'm so excited. Time to open up Big Nasty. These are thumbnails. Yeah, I went with the color Chunky Highlights 27, which has 1B, 2 Chunky Highlights. Chunky Highlights 30, T2, 24. Yeah. Okay. It just got a lot of tones in here. Also my natural hair tone, which is, you know, not bad. Oh, I need scissors. That wig kind of funky. This how it looks, y'all. This how it looks. It's a close up on the wig. But I enjoy wearing wigs because I feel like I genuinely know how to style them. Okay, yes, it's a middle part. We love a middle part. Yeah, I may take off. Yeah, let me do my band. Okay. Okay, I was told to put makeup. I'm gonna put this little cream. And this, you see how this wig is? Which is good that I did not have to put like a lot of makeup on because it's only like the part is a lace and the rest of it is just the wig. Oh, my hunger said. I'm so focused that I'm just like locked in. I think I got a good, pretty good brown color too. Okay, let's see. Let's see what is giving. Oh, that's tea. That's tea. Y'all, that look good. I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay, when are you supposed to cut the lace? I'm nervous. We gonna cut it, y'all. We finna cut the lace. And watch it cut. Okay. I'm gonna just hold my camera there. Let me see. Yeah, I hope I'm doing this right. Okay, y'all, we doing something. I really know how to do this type of stuff, y'all. I've just been so like used to my braids and my locks and that I do not, but I really enjoy different hairstyles and just to see me in different looks because like, why not? Yeah. So let's get it done. This was a long lace. Okay. Okay. My lace is cut. I feel like I got enough makeup on, but if I have to put more, we'll do such thing. In the meantime, we're gonna put her on. Oh, she kind of stink a little bit. Let me make this a middle part. I want to make my hair a middle part. So that can just blend real good too. I said, baby, I know a little something, baby. I used to do wigs. Y'all, fun fact about me. I used to do hair in high school. I used to do all my friends, they mama's hair, my friends' hair. Baby, everybody hair. We was them gas doing hair like that. Ooh. Ooh. Hold on. Okay. I'm here for it. This is so fun. I'm geeked out. I'm geeked out. Okay, stay focused. This is tea. You know it's tea when you see these two fingers touching. Hey, this is tea. Y'all, I'm geeked. I'm geeked, bitch. I just played. Calm down. Let me add my gloss. Baby, don't play. Don't play with me. Hold on. Come on, little pieces. Get in my eyes. I ain't without it. Get y'all little asses out my eyeballs. Get it. Get it. I'm ready to go out. Fuck it. Y'all, I'm happy about this wig. Look at the bounce. OMG. She eats down. Okay, calm down. Let me put my lips on, y'all. I'll go around a little lip gloss. And there you have it, flowers. This is the finished look, y'all. I am so excited that it looks this freaking good. I'm going back to get more colors, more colors, more colors. Baby, I'm back in my big hair era, and I miss it real bad. I miss it real bad, y'all. This is super tea. I am in love. Y'all know if it ain't long, if the hair ain't long on me, it's big. And I've been doing long hair for a minute. I do not mind doing short, big hair, but it has to be big. It has to be value. The volume has to be huge. The everything has to be what it needs to be. And I am in love with this hair, y'all. Look, hold on. It's like candy. It's magic, y'all. It's magic. And when you look this good and feel this good, this is just made my day 10 times more. And we in like, what time is it? 6:30. We in midday. Is this considered midday? And I feel great. I look great. Y'all, this eats. I'm so excited. Okay, y'all can do the pictures for this particular look. And I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you want more content, more vlogs like this, make sure you leave a comment down below and tell your girl, yes, we do. We need that. We want that. Please keep them coming. Y'all, I'm going to get every color. I'm going to get every color. Mark my words. This is going to be my thing. It's going to be hot in the summer, but who cares? At this point, I'm going to keep a fan on me at all times. I'm going to make sure I keep a fan at all times. But other than that, this is a beautiful look. And to see me in this space, gratitude. Gratitude. The blonde, y'all, the blonde is eating. The browns is eating. Everything is just beautiful. I'm in love. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all stay tuned for more because it's just like a whole new era just like lift. Like a whole new wave. It's on and popping. It's on and popping, y'all. I love it. I'm going to get the red one. They got a red one just like this. All red. We're going to go get it, y'all. I'm sold. This was at the beauty supply store. No TikTok shop. No Amazon. Beauty supply store. Beauty supply store. This is great for photo shoot hair. And the fact my face can fit so many hair structures, hair styles. My face can fit a whole lot of goodness. And I just love that. I love that real bad. I love that about my face. Because I really can wear a whole lot of hairstyles. And I used to wear a whole lot of hairstyles, y'all. This just put me back in the door. Keep the hairstyles coming at this point. Let my hair grow. Keep the wigs coming. Yeah, let my hair grow. Y'all look at that bounce. Ooh. I come in the club shaking my head. Oh, he there. Y'all, I am so geek, but I'm excited. I'm about to do the content pictures for this particular vlog, so stay tuned for that. Y'all, we will be back. We'll be back next vlog because we're going to get another wig and we're going to install it. And we're going to look fly as fuck doing it. And get more content pictures out. And more hair videos out, y'all. I'm not a wig influencer by any means necessary. I just like to see me in different styles and embrace my beautiful face structure that can carry different styles. Baby, this face can carry it all. And I love that about me. But I was super excited. And I've been wanting some big hair. And I feel like this is going to be the look for a good minute. Even if I cut her, she's still going to be T. Voss HD lace wig. You did your big one. You know you did. And if you don't know, you finna know. Y'all DM me if y'all want this wig. It's at the beauty supply store. Here in Atlanta, Georgia. Shh. DM me if you want it. If you want it, if you want it, if you want it. Hey. If you want it, if you want it, if you want it. Hey. Hey, y'all can show my sisters. I'm calling a group chat. Let's get their reaction. Hold on. Yeah, I'm so excited. I can't even stop the camera. That's how excited I am. Look, even that looks great. That's how excited I am. But I don't think I cut off a whole lot. I think I cut off a good amount, y'all. We're kind of group chat. Watch this. We're gonna cover the family camera first. Let's see if they answer. Ma.
Yeah, babe.
I gotta see this on you. You're gonna love this hairstyle. You ready?
Yeah.
She T.
Okay, that's the shit.
She T. My she T. Hey, she T. That what mama said, yeah. Okay. Okay. Call my big sister. She better fucking answer. Shay.
What?
She did her big one.
Who?
She did her big one. She T.
It's cute.
It's
cute.
She T.
Okay, let me. I feel like you need to get that little cuff, like right there.
I know. She don't want to do
Yeah, that's on the side. It's perfect, though. It's...
shit.
Let me see. Move, put the camera down back between ridges. Put the camera down.
Hold on. Bitch, I'm going to get the next one. They got the red. I'm going to get that red one.
It's cute. Like
y'all guys about to see her jump a 10 out of 10. Look.
Period.
That motherfucker dead. She at work, but hopefully she answer. Real quick. I know you at the workhouse. Can I show you something? I said, real quick. I know you at the workhouse. Can I show you something?
Yeah, what's up, bud?
You ready? You ready?
What's up?
She is cute.
Yes, bud. Okay.
We Wednesday we going back to go get 2 more. We going.
Yeah, you gonna give me one? You gonna give me one this time?
Yes. Sucker. She friend. You snap. You snapped on me. I want blood and red.
Yeah, you make that look real good. You look real good.
Thank you. We both did, honey, because you sold me.
Yeah.
You sold me. Y'all, my girl don't play about me. She sold me this on this week, and I'm so in love with it. I ain't even show AJ yet. I'm in here getting everybody review.
Photo shoot now. We need a photo shoot now.
We do. Okay, I got your reaction. I'm going to call my other sister to get her reaction.
Okay.
Love you. Love it. Let's see my little sister answer, y'all. She crazy. She gonna make me like, I want to get people. Baby!
What's up, Ray?
Let me get your reaction real quick. You ready?
Yeah, what? Let me see.
You know it's tea when you see these 2 fingers touching.
Take that wig off your head.
Girl! Baby, you know it's tea.
It's giving big wheels, keep on turning.
It's giving E.
It's giving buff hair. It's giving bold and beautiful.
Thank you, bitch. That's all I needed to hear. Alright. Y'all, them all people, that's it. I ain't calling nobody else. I really only call wig girlies. My wig girlies. I don't feel like calling nobody else because I am getting a little hurt. But y'all, there you have it. I love it. This wig company right here, you did your big one. I love this whole video. This nice, 1-2, quick and easy hairstyle, quick on the go hairstyle, wig put on situation. Leave a comment down below. Y'all don't forget to subscribe. Your girl is on the road to 1,000 subscribers. And I'm so excited. And I'm super excited about this journey. So we're going to keep going, y'all. And I'm in love. So like I said, I'm going to get another wig real soon. I'm going to get another wig real soon. We're going to do another wig install. Mind you, I'm still not a wig influencer, y'all. However, this looks great on me. And I'm here for it. So even if I was to put it behind the ear. Sometimes I like the little behind the ear look. But baby, right now, I'm going to keep it right here where it needs to be. But yes. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Peace and love, flowers. Bye. Thanks for watching. Mwah.